I'm going to show you how and where the L sound is made so you can practice making it with your child. Children who have difficulty making the L sound often make a y or w sound instead. Sometimes they mix it up with the r sound too, like this: yite, white, right. It's good to describe the L sound to your child as a first step. I call the L sound a long sound. I also say it's made behind your top teeth. To make the L sound, first we need to get everything in the right place. Your child needs their lips and teeth slightly open and spread, not rounded. Tip of the tongue up in the ridgy spot behind their front teeth. They need to hold their tongue tip there and turn their voice on to make the L sound. L. You try it. L. If your child's finding it tricky to get their tongue in the right place, they can try making the t, d, n, s, z sounds to get the feel of where to make the L sound. These sounds are all made in the same place with the tongue tip up on the ridgy spot behind your top front teeth. You can also try putting a dab of their favourite spread on that ridgy spot and getting them to lick it off with their tongue tip so they get the idea of where their tongue needs to go. Try making the L sound in the mirror with your child. Stand so they can see their mouth and yours. You can mix it up with some other speech sounds and some silly sounds like blowing raspberries or making funny faces to keep it fun and light. Doing this twice a day at teeth brushing times hooks it into your daily routine and helps you to remember to do it. If you'd like more structured support with helping your child make the L sound, check out my L sound course at speechteacher.co.nz. This is a video course where I use a proven, evidence-based method that teaches you everything you need to know to get your child making the L sound with confidence and ease in their everyday talking.